Hi there. Today I'll show you how to use the Debt Snowball Spreadsheet, a powerful tool to help you organize, prioritize, and pay off your debts faster. You can get it on our website, SpreadsheetsHub.com. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. In the first step, you need to provide basic information about your debts. Next, specify the monthly payment amount and analyze the payment plan. On the next step, you can view detailed information about the payment schedule. This step shows how to keep track of payment transactions and analyze the data. First, go to the debt management sheet and enter your data. Select the currency. Select the year and month. Now, enter each of your debts into the Enter Debt Information table to begin organizing them. Enter the debt amount, a PR percentage, and creditor. Enter notes if needed. Currency and minimum payments are updated automatically. Let's enter a few more examples. Next, moving down. The minimum payment amount is calculated automatically. Enter the actual repayment amount. It is important that this amount is not less than the minimum payment. The information in the Review Your Debt Management Plan section is updated automatically. You can analyze the debt structure on this chart, and the chart next to it shows the amount of debt by year. This information will help you understand what your payments will be and when the debt will be repaid. The template is originally in English, but if you'd like to switch the tables to another language, our TranslateHub tool makes it fast, accurate, and incredibly easy. You can find the link in the description below. Let's get back to the template. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Next, go to the payment schedule sheet. This table is set up to calculate your payments using the Debt Snowball method, a strategy that focuses on paying off your smallest debts first, helping you build momentum as you go. Here you can view the payment schedule by day. If the actual payments differ from the planned ones, you need to enter the adjustment amount in the Subtract column. Payment information is recalculated automatically. On the right side of the sheet, there is a breakdown of payments for each debt. The data in these blocks is updated automatically. Next, go to the payment tracker sheet. This table is for entering actual payment data. Let's enter some sample data. The currency is added automatically. The drop-down list for the debt column is generated based on the data listed on the debt management sheet. Let's move on to the debt dashboard sheet. Select the year and month, and all data will be updated automatically. This chart shows the debt repayment process. This shows how the debt has been reduced over the years. Also view repayment data for each debt. Current payments recorded on the payment tracker sheet are automatically calculated in the actual payment column. This data will enable you to clearly analyze the debt repayment process. And quick technical note, if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try entering your own debt details to see how simple and motivating paying off debt can be with the Debt Snowball method. The template is available for download through the link in the description below. For custom solutions, our team can create tailored spreadsheets to fit any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights and an open affiliate program if you'd like to partner with us. Thanks for watching and have a great day.